If you decided to start a Cardano watcher, the config file is pretty much like this, but you need to add some extra information for the Cardano. For example, here is an example Cardano watcher config file. You need to add this section here. You need to specify Cardano information source. You can use either Kios or Ogmios here. You need to specify initial information of your Cardano. You should fill out the block height, hash, and slot, and complete this information here. And finally, you need to change the observation configs to be compatible with your Cardano network. This information shows that when you observe an event, how much you should wait before reporting that event. After 60 blocks, your watcher will report the observed event, and after this height, the observed event is not valid anymore.